Right now we're going to learn about hyperlinks. Actually, what is hyperlinks? When you will click in any elements or any image or any button, if that button or elements redirect you in another website or in another page, that's called a link. So you can place link in any elements, image, videos, and many more like button icons. So you can add links in everywhere in HTML, and we're going to learn about the link in HTML right now. Okay, let's start from the beginning. So you can see here in our line number 50, I want to type click here. Let me save it, and you can see that I got the click here text in here, but when I am placing my mouse in click here, it's not working. I want to add another website, like I want to add a Facebook with this click here text. That means when I will click in this click here text, it will redirect me to the Facebook. This is what I want to do. Okay, so let's do that. For adding link, you have to type then you have to type href, then equal quotation mark, and inside the quotation mark you have to type the address of your targeted website, like https://facebook.com, and then I have to type greater than sign, and you can see here that hyperlink tag is automatically appeared, the closing tag. This is the closing tag. Let me paste in here. Okay, now let me explain you properly. Actually, hyperlink tag are declared with a tag, this a or hyperlink tag. So what I did, inside our hyperlink tag, I declared some attributes, and the attributes is ahref. This href is the attributes. This is the tag, and inside this opening tag of hyperlinks, I declared the attributes, and I declared the targeted attributes in here, as well as the targeted website, that is the facebook.com, and this is our elements. That means when you will click in this click here text, then you will be redirected to facebook.com, and at the end I declare the closing tag of hyperlink. Let me save it, and now you can see the color of our click here text is changed and an underline is added. So let me click in this click here. Okay, you just seen that when I clicked in click here text, it redirected me to Facebook. So this is called the hyperlink adding in HTML. Let me get back to my preview. Okay, fine. Now I want to show you another things. So what just happened, when I click this click here, the Facebook opened in the same tab. So you can see here in my browser I only have one tab, and when I just clicked this click here text, it's opened, the Facebook opened in the same tab. But what you will do if you need to open the same URL or same address in a new tab, how you will do that? That means your reader will have, or your reader will stay in your present page, but if any of your reader or if any one of your visitor click in any link, then the website will be opened in a new tab. This is what we are going to learn right now, and that's called the link targeting, and we are going to do these things. Okay, with this feature or with this structure, the website will be opened in the same page, but right now we're going to apply that our targeted website will be opened in a new tab. Therefore we have to declare the target attributes. How we will do that? You have to declare another attributes after the web address. Let me show you how you will do that. After the quotation mark, you have to take a space and you have to type target. Okay, then equal sign and quotation mark, and then if you want to open in a new tab, in that case you can pick this blank attributes. So remember the parameter, that is underscore blank, and you must have to put all these things inside the quotation mark. And now let me save it, and let's visit in our browser. And now I am going to click this click here text. Okay, what just happened? When I clicked in this click here text, the Facebook, this address is opened in a new tab, and this is what we were looking for. So this is how you will apply, or you will open any website in a new tab. And you can see here that the new tag is declared with target attributes. So this will be the structure. If you want to open the page or website in a single or the same tab, in that case you have to follow the previous setup. And if you want to open the targeted website in a new tab, in that case after URL you have to make a space, or after the quotation mark you have to make space, you have to declare the target attributes, then equal, and inside the opening and closing quotation mark you have to type underscore blank. This attributes you have to type, and the rest of the part are as like before, that here is the elements and here is the closing tag of hyperlinks. Okay, fine. So we just learned about the link or web address. Suppose you have built a number of pages. You can see here this is one of our page, this index.html, this is the page. And if you need to connect some pages with your text, how you will do that? That means instead of hyperlink, if you need to connect some pages, so you can see here till yet we only have one page, that is index.html. So let me show you how you will create another page. So you can follow the same process as we created the index page, or you can just click in this new file option. So let me click this new file and let me write about.html. Please remember the extension .html. Okay, you can see here this about.html, this page is created in here, and let me set up the structure. And inside the body, let me type with heading 1. Let me type this is about page. Let me save it and let me run this page in our live server. Okay, you can see here we just created a about page, and you can see that this is about page. Okay, now I want to connect this page with this one. You can consider these things as a menu, and I want to connect these two page. Okay, how you will do that? You can do that very easily. Let me change the title for the about page. Okay, now I'm getting back to my index.html page. Now I want to write about page. Let me save it, and you can see here that I got about page in here, but there is nothing appeared. But I don't want to make a link of any web address with this about page. I want to connect this about page with this text, and therefore you have to follow the same process. That is hyperlink tag, then you have to declare the attributes, that is href equal this quotation, and inside you have to type about.html. What you declared? You just declared the page name, and after quotation mark you have to declare, or you have to type that greater than sign, and then automatically the closing tag will be appeared, and we have to place this closing tag after the elements. Okay, let me save it and let's take a look in our live server. So you can see here that about page, this text is now seems linked. So let me click in this about page. So you can see here, it's when I clicked the about page, it's redirected me in here. Okay, so this is how you will link any page with the text in HTML.